Find username in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to find username on your Subway Surfer. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, you have to tap into your profile picture. It looks like a little character. Tap on it. In this interface, you can see your username just beside your profile picture. And if you want to change the username, just tap the pencil icon next to it. Type in a new name and you can hit save. Just tap in the pencil icon. Now you can type in your new username. Then you can hit continue. This will save your new username for Subway Surfer. And that's how you find your username in Subway Surfer quickly, easily, and you are ready to show off your high score.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.